All right, everyone, super excited to finally have time to open the Osmo 3, which we are going to try for you guys to do real estate open houses and other live events. So this is a stabilizer. I've ordered it on Best Buy, and it comes with this case here, which is really great because it's good for traveling. And what's in it? Let's see. So this is basically your Osmo 3 stabilizer, and this will help us hopefully see how this swivel and it flips around. So this is going to be our stabilizers to be able to have the camera follow us and just not make us seasick, hopefully. So this was ordered from Best Buy, and it also came with a little soft carry case, and it came with other accessories. It kind of reminds me of like iPhone packaging, this stuff. So this is the I think selfie stick tripod. Oh, this is the charger. It's one of those little chargers that you get with cameras, so don't lose that one. I have so many of them right now, but you know, it connects to I assume charge that. And then it also comes with this tripod. This was all in lots of plastic. I've removed some of it. So this would be a base, so you can actually plug it, and I think it screws into this here. So this is that, and then other tiny gadgets, which was interesting. This is a pad, and it says to, if required, to anti-slip pad to secure your phone to the phone holder. So I think this goes into this part here, and then little string. So we'll see how to use it.